name is Arjun.
Now hush little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that upper lip up, little lady. I told you, daddy's here to hold you through the night. We fear how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise, mom, it's gonna be alright.
అర్జున్ కర్రా నీకు చూపిస్తా. దీంట్లో ఒకటి ఉంది, అది చూపిస్తా కర్రా.
అన్ని పట్టుకొని వస్తావా? అర్జున్,
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే.
Thank you.
డిడ్ యూ ఎంజాయ్ ఇట్?
Yeah.
వాట్ వాజ్ నైస్ రా టుడే? ఈస్ డన్. ఇంకా వాడు ఎక్కువసేపు ఉండడు. దట్ ఇస్ ద థింగ్. అర్జున్ వాడు కూర్చోడు ఎక్కువసేపు.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. You are my sister. I'm your sister. We're best friends. Oh yeah! Clap your hands. Come on, let's sing and dance. You are my sister. I'm your sister. We are best friends. Oh yeah! Clap your hands. Come on, let's sing and dance. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Fluff, don't be late. There's a mountain to lead.
So yeah, just to tell about Arjun, right? On Sitara's third birthday, I very clearly remember that, I don't know if I'll be able to love the second child as much as I love Sitara. But I can tell you that second child is absolutely admirable, very adorable. He's a literal bundle of joy. I mean, when I just look at him, I forget all my worries. He's like that because he creates probably new worries for me. he's absolutely stunning. I mean, like Shashank's the man of my dreams, but then I think a bigger boy and bigger man and bigger male person in my life forever will be my son. And then he completes her family in a true sense because Sitara has a brother who always troubles her. Not just Shashank, so she has another brother who always pulls her leg, who's really full of giggles, and he brings that boy factor into the house, where he's always fighting, breaking stuff, throwing things, running around. And we already have a lot of complaints from the neighbors about him running around. And this is the kind of parenthood that everybody should have. And probably if we didn't have Arjun, we would have missed out on that. So I am thankful to God. I'm grateful that I have a son and he's Arjun. And I can't ask for anything more in my life. Like after Shashank, my two beautiful children, I'm just very happy and very lucky and fortunate. I know Shashank is looking at me thinking, are you sure? Why are you lying? But no, that's actually a true feeling. So I am actually very fortunate and very grateful, I would say. And probably when I am with Arjun, I become that little girl that I always want to be. I don't know, somehow I'm very comfortable with him. With Sitara, I'm like the elder sister, the mother. Maybe because she's a girl, that thing comes out in me where I'm like, no, I have to tell her, Sitara, don't do this, do that. With Arjun, I'm like, let's just let him be. And probably she'll scold me. One day my daughter will be like, you're way too partial towards Arjun, you just let him do whatever. But then that's how it is. But then I love both my children equally in different ways.
I don't have much to say.
No, but you have to say.
Happy. That's it. What did you say? Arjun is there, so I think I'm getting to do all the boy stuff with Arjun now. You know, I had only 2 sisters, so good to have some boys around me now. See, I can tell you that I've been very bad to Arjun when compared to Sitara, but it's okay, he's a boy. He'll get used to it.
Arjun, who's your best friend, more than me, he's saying that Shashank is his best friend. But actually, deep down, deep in the heart, he's
saying,
I am always his best friend. Opposite. He gives a damn. He doesn't give a damn about anything. If I tell him, Arjun, if you don't do this, our Papa will not like, then he'll be like, okay, let him not like, but I am not doing this. So even when we were telling him, you know, Arjun, we have to give away gifts to everybody, he's like, it's my birthday. Everybody should give me gifts. Why should I give anybody gifts? I am not giving. So he doesn't give a damn about anybody. He's like, he's not people pleaser. He's just in his own world, and he's like that. But Sitara is a big people pleaser. I don't know what. I don't want her to be that, but she's like that. So that is the biggest difference between boy and them. But I would say, you know, Arjun is this amazing person. He's got a few things that I don't find normally in all children. Maybe he's my son, that's why I feel it's special. I don't know. But there are certain things that I observe in Arjun which are like amazing, like his logical reasoning, the way he gives you answer back. You really can't argue with him. So I think I want him to be like that until he grows old. You know, that's something that as you grow, you change. With, you know, going around people and all of that, it just goes away, that natural thing. But I think that natural curiosity, that carefree attitude, I wish, I want that to stay with him.
Yeah, same thing actually for me. I don't want him to, even I'm a little bit like, I try to please people. I don't want Arjun to be like this. I want to be...
That carefree attitude, just be in your own thing. You like, you do, you don't like, you don't do. It's okay. I love you, Arjun. I'll always love you. Be my best friend forever. You know, you and I are going to be very good buddies. One thing I definitely want to tell. So whenever Arjun looks at me, right, there's the spark in his eyes. Like when I go office and come back, he looks at me with so much love. I wish that love in his eyes stays for me until I grow old. So.
We keep playing fun games. And we also help our parents. Have the best brother in the whole world. He always helps me. He is a very good boy. Arjun is the best boy in the whole world. He will be good and he will not trouble anybody.
I had 2 sisters, so it's good to have a boy around in the house because I have to do all lifting, all the work alone soon. He will also join me in all of that. It is obviously very nice. It's always nice to be around with Arjun. He's very fun. I mean, if you tell him one thing, he doesn't mind. He's a very chill guy. Don't live up to anybody's expectations. That's the only thing, because you can never do that. That's it. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Arjun.
Arjun, take it. Be a monkey. Can I tell a Don't be late. There is a mountain to be. Bye.